It's Monday, May 9th, 2016. You're going to see how NASA has had to scramble a lot as a result of its poor photographic releases, and I'll be showing you how they're lying all the way through the process. You're looking at Mars as represented by NASA, the Starburst Spider formations. Wait, no, this is it. This is Mars. That last one was just a piece of vinyl. Okay, so this is Mars, and this is a piece of vinyl again. Okay, wait. The next one I think coming up is Mars. Right, here we go. This is Mars, and nope, that's a piece of vinyl again. This one's Mars. Here we go. Okay, we're back on track. You know how these internet rabbit holes work. You start looking up one thing, and before you know it, you're uncovering every kind of random thing on the internet there is, and that was me last night. I'll tell you, these Starburst Spider formations are the most ridiculous things I've ever seen. So I tried to hunt down the first one, and believe it or not, that picture you saw at the very beginning was actually released by NASA and is a constant reminder for them now of why you never want to let your interns be in charge of posting photographs of the surface of Mars, because they will go to the bar and drink, forget about their job, and then take pictures of the vinyl and just call it a day. I took one look at this thing and I just started laughing. Like, really, this is what you're going to tell me Mars looks like? I mean, look on the right-hand side. The craters, the supposed craters, they're in square shapes where, I don't know, somebody had set a projector down or something. You can see the depressions in there. And look inside the cracks that supposedly extend down into the substance of Mars. They're shiny because they're vinyl. And of course there's this thing right smack dab in the middle of the photo. There's a tear in the vinyl. You can actually see the fabric pushed up around the sides. I mean, how could you miss it? It's like the vagina of Mars. I couldn't stop laughing. I mean, this actually ended up causing them a whole bunch of problems. They had to release all these other photos to kind of make it look like that to get away with it. Just so we're straight, though, this is not Mars here. This is a piece of vinyl, really. It was the most convincing one, actually, even compared to the NASA ones. The darker of the black and white ones, this one is also vinyl. It's this one right here. I mean, they're pretty similar. That's supposed to be the surface of Mars. But wait until you see this. Check this next picture out. These are supposedly the Starburst Spider formations. They look nothing like the first ones that were released. That is, the ones that were released after the mistaken one. Take a look at them. They don't look anything alike. The earlier set, the black and white ones, they look like they were hammered in by some kind of larger macro tool. They even did a poor job on the video stitching. That line that you see running down there, that's the result of a cut and paste manipulation. And then just this past year, to finally get back to that original one, they released this one, which looks absolutely disgusting. It looks like a close-up of a mole of a witch or something. It's just gnarly. But I guess they had to get it kind of looking like the vagina of Mars. Look over to the left of the vagina of Mars. This all is supposed to happen because of a cavity in the rock and dirt, causing things to fall down into it. When have you ever seen any kind of rock just shine and reflect like that off the light? That is absurd. Here are a couple of pictures of the Grand Canyon in Arizona, and you can see what it looks like from a distance with the erosion going down. Now, look again at this. I'm going to flash back and forth. The difference between these two images I'm showing you is the lighter one is 5 days ago, and the darker one is 2 days after that, where it's allegedly collapsed. The collapse of it produces apparently no rock debris, just deformation in the surface. And that's what makes me think it's actually a solid piece of vinyl. They've also done a poor job on the editing. You can see that it's doctored. It's a fabricated photograph. The lines that I put up on the screen there show you where the cut borders are for where it was pasted over again. Stay tuned, I've got another even funnier one from NASA in the hopper right now. I think it'll be the next video. These shots right here were taken by a channel subscriber called Been Taken Pics. Just wanted to share that I'm getting a lot of confirming footage from all over. Thanks for sending it in, guys. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.